is Walt. It's time to discover Saipan. One of the promises I make to my tour clients is if a question ever comes up that I don't have an answer to, that I will do some research, look it up, and provide them with a follow-up. This is the answer to a question that Dorit had when we stopped by the Seafaring Traditions project, and here it is.
With this kind of designs, we came Guam, Tinian, but then I've gone on the double hull canoe for all the way up to Palau Islands.
Really?
In Palau, yeah.
Okay.
And what's the longest you've been on the water?
Oh yeah, we've been out there for that voyage took us 47 days.
47 days.
Yeah,
Wow.
we hit storm, and even before the storm came, we had to just drop the sails and just weigh it out. So that took like at least a week and a half or two.
All right. I got a quick question for you, sir.
Sure.
I had some guests from Australia over the weekend, and you weren't here, but the question came up. What is that structure hanging from there? Don't say it yet. Don't say it yet. So the young lady who I was with, and she and her husband, she thinks that it might have something to do with detecting the depth of the water. Maybe it's something that
Nice.
navigators use. I thought that it was maybe just some relic from an archaeological find that you just put up there for decoration. I spoke to Sonny yesterday, and he offered another explanation, but he said I should talk to you to tell us exactly what that structure.
Oh, the Tongan?
Yeah.
Tongan guy? Well, yeah, you're actually right. But it's not a relic. It's not an artifact.
Okay.
It's just a natural formation.
Okay.
And we put it up there as, kind of like a guardian, I guess. Yeah.
Okay.
So
That's what he said. It's like protection, like
Yeah.
spiritual protection for the house, for the boathouse.
It looks like the mask from Halloween.
yeah, it looks like a
Myers.
face.
So where is it from? Is that from any?
It's from here. It's from
Okay.
here, but
And
it's just
natural or
natural.
somebody-
It's just natural.
Is it like a coral type of thing, or?
It is. It is
Okay.
actually limestone, coral, bed.
limestone.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I've got corroboration from the man himself. So
Yeah,
it's
you
spiritual protection for the boathouse.
You're correct.
Excellent.
You got it.
Excellent. And what's the event in May? Is there a special?
Yeah, the event is Tony's program down there. His students are graduating
On Guam?
on Guam.
Okay.
So Tony wants to come here, and we want to give this the
May,
maiden
okay.
voyage, making it to Guam in time for the graduation. Also displaying to the students there.
Now I know it's funded by the government, but is
Yes.
there anything that anyone watching who mainland can do to help the project or to
Oh.
speed up the production?
Of course, we always need funding.
Funding. Okay.
Yeah, especially for this voyage, we're gonna be needing supplies.
All right. And can someone actually give money to the project?
Man, I think so. It's just because we are a government entity.
Right.
I'm not sure how it goes there,
Alright.
and maybe we can ask around
Yeah.
what's the legal way to
Yep.
receive.
I'll put it on
funds.
the channel. Yeah.
Hey, thank you.
For me, yeah. I'll
Thank you,
see what
thank
I'm sure. I know that there are previous guests who have seen this, and
Yes,
you've spoken to
yes,
who would be
yes.
willing to
Oh,
support. So
nice.
I'm within the next week. I'll put something up on the site.
Hey.
And you want to contact the powers that be to find out how we would go about donating?
That'll be nice, but
Right.
that's gonna take me away from.
Okay, so I'll do it. I'll call.
Really?
I'll contact.
You do
them.
that? Thank you. Thank you.
Now, who was the person I should contact there?
The person would be our secretary,
Okay.
Mr. Frank Rabaliman.
Okay.
He's the secretary of Department, Community and Cultural Affairs.
All right. I'll find out
Yeah.
what the
Wow.
process
Thank
is.
you.
Yeah,
Thank
no
you.
problem.
Yeah, definitely.
It shall be done. Because, like I said, I've shown many people this, and
And,
they're all
yes.
fascinated. And you've met some of them
Yes,
over
yes.
the years,
I
yeah.
see them. They were so fascinated.
Yeah.
Thanks for
Cool.
bringing them over, and thank you for bringing our guests here again. And
Leonard.
how's the
This is
island?
amazing stuff. Amazing
How's the
stuff
island
you're doing.
treating you so far?
Very nice.
Yes.
Very friendly. Everything's
Great.
great. Yeah,
great.
I'm really
Well, you
enjoying
came
it.
on a rainy day, rainy
Yeah,
time, but
well.
you know the temperature is cooler.
Yeah. It happens.
But it doesn't stop you from hitting the beach, you know. You
Absolutely.
get
Absolutely.
go out
Water
there.
underneath is still the same.
Yes, yeah.
Cool. All right. Thank
Well,
you,
yes.
John.
Oh man.
I know you guys are busy.
Oh.
But yeah, I'll definitely look into that over this week, and I'll let you know what I find.
Sure.
All right, cool.
Thank you very
Take care.
much.
No problem.
And enjoy the rest.
Watch you like you're on my
Subscribe.
Come over
You know,
and
you know what
take
the man
your
say.
time.